Hop into the 2024 Honda HR-V. Check out this HR-V. It's the small SUV that packs clever cargo solutions, agile handling, advanced safety technology, and impressive fuel efficiency, all wrapped up in fresh, bold style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, backup camera, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Kick your worries to the curb. This Honda HR-V is all about making your life easy and comfortable. Take it out for a drive today.